Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Want to Stay. Today in this video, let's learn about how to fix TikTok app not opening. So let's get started. For that, at first simply try opening the app you have already installed, and if not, you can simply go to Play Store app. And if you see this update button over here on the right, simply tap on that to update TikTok, and it might be because your TikTok is not updated. But even after that, if it does not work, simply click on your TikTok app and click on clear cache to clear all the cache in TikTok. We need to clear all of this. Simply click on clear and clear the cache of downloads as well. And once it is done, you can simply get back and open the TikTok app. And after that, the app will finally open. If not, you can try uninstalling the app and reinstalling it. To uninstall, simply tap on that and click on uninstall button over here, and to reinstall it, you can simply go to Play Store and install it. So that is all. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.